Hello everyone and welcome back to Grace's Space. Today we are going to be doing something that I found at Maker Faire, which is it's mainly about STEM, whatever you want to call it. And so we bought make your own BOSE headphones, and honestly I've been needing new headphones. And then also BOSE are like the best brand that you can get. So of course I had to do make your own because I'm me. I actually had an interview with the maker of them, which you can find on Instagram, and Money Saving Parent, it's gonna be there. Yeah, I think that's all I really needed to say. So now you're going to see a time lapse or clips, I'm not sure, of me putting this together. I'm moving my finger around the color pad and changing the color.
Do it a little slower so they can see it. Like do the red. Okay, so there's like a purple, a white. We've got aqua, green. So, and this is if you use something like one of these. They're pre-made and they fit them. So you just put this in and then you choose your colors.
I think that's a good color.
You like that one?
Yeah, I'm not sure how it looks on me. By the way, I can barely hear anything in here. I can hear my own voice a lot.
Okay, so now there's also a program on here where it lets you make different funny sounds.
Wait, 1 sec. Colors light up in response to them. 1 sec. What am I doing?
So are they supposed to respond to the music?
What do my colors look like?
It's one color only. It's not changing.
Oh.
You might have to push a button or something.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the really important part, is having an app on your Apple products.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to go try to find where it changes the voice. Where when I'm speaking, what she hears is a different voice. Oh, now it's changing color. Look, that's pink, white, purple. Yeah. So she's got it on a setting that the colors change with the earphones according to the beat of the music, which is really cool. All right, so we'll be right back. 2, 3, go.
So what happened was I set it so that it's at dancing colors, so that as the music goes, the lower it gets, the more red it gets. The more of it gets inside the center, like how I'm speaking right now, it goes green. And then if it gets really high, then it turns blue.
Okay, we're going to take the mic up to the earphones and see if you guys can hear it.
Because that's some freaking sound quality there.
Okay, here's another thing about the BOSE headphones that she's building. They actually have a built-in safety feature, so this is really great for us parents. It won't let it play the music too loud. That if we're worried about them playing the music too loud, it won't let them do that. It only takes it to a certain decibel level in an effort to keep their ears healthy. There's a whole bunch of different little quizzes and tests and things like that on the app so that they can find out what they like, what they don't like, and what works best for their hearing. Okay guys, so here's one more reminder. These are Bluetooth headphones. So if you're using your cell phone, try to shut down as much as you can because Bluetooth does eat up the battery, or if you can, use a charger. So Grace, how comfortable are they?
Extremely. I did not expect them to be that comfortable because it's just padding. It really isn't anything on the inside. but you have no clue how much that padding can make up for what happens to around your ear and what's in your ear.
And I noticed that there was a padding on top of your head.
Yes.
Right. And then here was something else really cool. Now, we're all still discovering this along with you. So
I can actually hear it through my headphones
Yeah.
now because I make everything blaring.
So next, we're going to go try and find this really cool feature. There's like 5 different voice settings.
Yes.
And then we're going to test drive it and share it with you.
Black is my soul. That's great. Oh my god.
Okay. So
What happens is whenever you said it, I put one as IDK and then they said act. And then whenever I pressed the next one, it was supposed to be black. And so I named it Black as my soul. And then they just said Black as my soul. That was great. Headphones on. People's voices are made up of lots of different sounds. High, low, and in between. What happens if you shift this frequency lower or higher? Okay, so currently I can just hear my own voice at like a normal rate. So lower, which they put a robot, and higher, which they made a squirrel. So I'm just gonna quickly go higher. Holy cheese. Is my voice actually this annoying to everyone else? Why is this a feature? Oh god. Why? Okay, let me put it up to the mic so you can hear it. Can you hear that? I'm not sure if you can, but like, oh, why? Why is this a feature? Yeah, y'all can definitely hear it. Why? Okay, let's go back to it actually makes like a shifting weird. Okay, why? My only question is why? It sounds like you put my voice through like 15 different speakers until it finally got low enough. Yeah, I'm pretty sure y'all can definitely hear that because that is the weirdest thing ever. Like, why is this an option?
because it's fun.
So yeah, I'm gonna use this a lot just so I can toy around with people. Just like wondering why I'm cracking up laughing, and I take the headphones off and just let them listen. I want that to happen. What you do is they're asking, what the question is why do we have 2 ears and why are they on these specific sides? So they say double-sided sound. Put on your headphones and try out the 3 listening models to see how they sound. So normal, which is regularly my voice. I just realized that they're going up and down with my voice. Now let's try swapped. Okay. Oh, this is an odd way to hear things. No. Why? Bleh. My voice is weird. I don't like this. Mono. What is mono? Oh, left and right. So that'd be like 1 ear. This is like echoey. It's weird. It doesn't make sense. I don't like this. I like having 2 ears on the right sides. So what happened is with the double-sided sound, or like down here it says swapped, it says try snapping off to one side or ask a friend to make a noise. Can you tell where they are if your eyes are closed? And so of course we had to test it with y'all. I'm gonna quickly close my eyes and then I'm gonna try and guess where y'all are. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello. Where am I? Just
it
point.
Like you're out in like the backyard, but that doesn't make any sense.
Okay, turn around.
Well, why? It actually is like really trippy. That is extremely trippy. I don't like that. I can't tell where any of my surroundings are. This is bad. Okay.
Okay, so tell us about this experiment.
Okay, so it's supposed to be with directional hearing. So right now it would be like regular listening. It looks like it's right in front of me. So I would move it off to my right. This is my right hand. I know how to tell my left from my right. Right now, it actually feels like I'm only hearing from this side. Like there's actually like a band right here.
So it's like it's behind you.
Yes, it actually like right now feels like it's behind me, but which is impossible. Nothing can fit back there. Now it feels like it's like off to my left. This is weird. Okay, yeah, now it's back to normal. So these were just a few of the many different features that you can do with the BOSE headphones.
Each one of the experiments actually help you learn about the science of hearing, as well as like how electronics affect it and things like that. So
is we sadly were not able to find the headphones, where to find the specific how to put them together, but we were able to find another thing, which was a build-it-yourself speaker.
Which they had at Maker Faire, but we went for the headphones.
Because I use headphones a lot more than I use speakers. So, yeah, we went with the headphones. So that will be inside of a link in the description down below. I hope that y'all like this. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you like it. So y'all might be thinking that this takes a really long time to do, but really it took me 10 minutes at most.
10-15 minutes to put it together.
But I couldn't stop. I put it on and I find all these different features and I just want to keep on playing with it and toying with it. And that is why it's taking so long for me to finish this video. Because there are just so many things to play with, even after you've finished up with your hearing. Like the putting them together. Not finished up with your hearing, Grace, that doesn't make any sense.
Once you put them together,
You can
the earphones, that's like the mechanics of it, but then there's all these cool experiments that you can keep doing while you're having some fun with it. And then you can also use them just to listen to music. So, you want to wrap it up? Or you want to keep playing?
I want to keep on playing, but let's wrap it up before I make this into an hour-long video. So I just want to quickly thank y'all for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button to see more stuff like this, and hit the bell so that you never miss another update. Again, thank y'all for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!